Loading a Chime card is quick and easy, and in this video, I'll walk you through the process step by step so you can add funds to your account hassle-free. First, you can deposit cash at over 90,000 retail locations like Walmart, CVS, and Walgreens by simply handing your Chime card and cash to the cashier, who will process the transaction. Fees may apply depending on the retailer. Another method is transferring money from an external bank account by linking it through the Chime app and initiating a transfer, which typically takes a few business days. You can also receive direct deposits from your employer or government benefits by setting up direct deposit with your Chime account, which can even get you paid up to 2 days early. Additionally, if a friend or family member uses Chime, they can send you money instantly through the Chime Pay Anyone feature at no extra cost. Make sure to check your Chime app for deposit limits and processing times to avoid any surprises. And now you're all set to load your Chime card and start using it with ease.